So we got a new fridge off of Facebook, of course. And we've had it in the garage for a while, and it got moved around a little bit. And the ice maker does not work. And we hooked up the ice maker. We hooked up the water to it, and it's coming out right here where the filter is. So watch this. Let me turn this on. Coming out there. So we did some research, found out maybe the water filter got busted in transit. So I got a new one. I'm going to turn it on, see if it works. This is an easy fix, hopefully. Here we go. No more than... It doesn't look broken, but... Alright. Moment of truth. Well, I think we have to put the plastic things off. Plastic things are off. Moment of truth. Again, take two. Well, I'm gonna have to do some more research. That did not fix the problem. Ugh. Okay, let's test this. Oh, okay, watch this. Ooh. There's a leak in the hose right there. All right. Here, we're going to try and take this off. So I cut this off and reattach that. Now we're going to test it. So I ordered a part off of Amazon, and I decided to come back here and try it one more time. I think I fixed it. I just kind of finagled the part a little bit and loosened it up, and just in case it was stuck. Okay, so here we go. Water. And there's no water coming out of here. My first batch of ice ever since I fixed the fridge. Cheers, success. Fixed it.